Y'all know how you see a product on your feed on every single platform that you go on and you sort of feel voluntold like, hey, you need to buy this. So I did. Well, these Ardell naked press-on pre-glued eyelash extensions were literally stalking me. I finally caved and I bought them because I saw that 2,000 people bought these last month. So you know, I was like, hey, scoot over, I'm jumping on the bandwagon. Open them up and see if someone who is eyelash challenged like myself can actually put these on. Y'all, when I tell you, I'd never wear false eyelashes because I can't. First off, my hands shake a little bit, so that makes it hard. And plus, I just can't ever get them to look right. 2 rows of 8mm, 2 rows of 10mm, and 12mm lashes. And then it has 1 row for the right and left, and it says that they're specifically for your inner eye corners. I guess you like squeeze with that side and push them into place with that side. That's kind of cool. There are a total of 30 clusters, and they do come pre-glued, which is what I love about it. Let's go try them on. Guys, so we've moved to the bedroom and we're gonna try. It says to start with clean lashes and start from the outside in. So I have no, mascara on. And I also have no lashes because I have like I'm partly Asian and I have no lashes. By the way, it's like a crisscross style pattern, the lash pattern. And it says to be careful to pull the lashes off by the lashes, not the band. Because a lot of people get stuck to the band, and I think that's why. I feel like I'm playing with my life here. We're gonna start with a 10. No, yes. To me, this is really hard because I don't have glasses on, so I can barely see what I'm doing. God, I hope this works. Okay. Well, that did not work. Try real tweezers and see. Because that little plastic thing was not working. I just like need this to work. Okay. Like I see all these other people do it and the way they just slap it on there, like, cool. I feel like I'm being attacked by these things. Y'all, shut up. Guys. Okay. I don't want to get excited yet. If this can work for me, I will be so happy because I don't wear fake lashes. If y'all can do this without making ridiculous faces, good for you. I can't. Oh my God, I'm so frustrated. Oh, why is this not working for me? Okay, I think I'm gonna have to go from the inside out because outside in is not working for me. Bro, this is frustrating. Why can't I just be like one of those girls that I see all over TikTok? They just walk up and slap these on. Okay. Nope. Just kidding. Fell off. Where did it go? Okay. I think I got it this time. Y'all, am I getting this? Absolutely nothing. No mascara. This eye, obviously no mascara, but I think I finally got them on right. I will say this. Don't grab these and think like, oh, I don't do them on a day when it doesn't matter, because y'all saw what I just went through there. I literally almost quit. But here's what I can tell you. I can't even feel them. Like, I cannot even tell that they're there. Have y'all tried these? What did you think? Would you try them? I want to do this eye, but I want to put mascara on this time. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Raphaela, and if you like videos about health, beauty, and fashion for the over 40 group, subscribe to join the Starlet Squad. I'm trying to reach 2K before St. Patty's Day. Hey, that rhymed. bonus, hello, we can be glow up girlies together and find the stuff that works. Okay, because even though like, yeah, that looks pretty, I feel like you still can't see them. This is the difference between mascara with no lashes, no mascara with lashes, but then we're gonna put lashes over here. My ride or die, telescopic. I'll say this though, it does work, but y'all, it takes practice. Okay, see, that was so much easier with mascara on, hands down. And then when I go back and tamp them together, yeah. And I know y'all are gonna say, well, but then you can't wash off your mascara. Yes, I can. I'll just take them off. These off at the end of the night. Y'all, that's so easy, it's almost criminal with the mascara. Fugger. Sir, could you stop? I want you to live on my lash line. Sir. And I didn't do the inside corners because I don't particularly care for the way that looks on me, but okay, so this is one coat of mascara with the lashes. This is no mascara with the lashes. Okay. One coat of mascara with the lashes. No mascara with the lashes. Cannot even feel them. Like, they're a little bit of a pain to put on, but that's because I'm just getting started. Holy crap, I literally can't even feel them at all. Absolutely wild. All right, guys, I would have to say, if you struggle with putting on lashes like almost everyone, go ahead and stock up on these before they go super viral and sell out. For less than $10, you can easily do your lashes whenever you want, and they last apparently for 3 to 4 washes. So whenever you need a little extra lash in your life. If you enjoy videos about beauty and health for 40, subscribe and like this video so that other people in our age group can find this. And if you're feeling extra generous, share this video with a friend. All right, well, I will see you beauty queens in the next one. Bye-bye.